quoi? Ouais, j'ai failli taper dedans.
My team the new entourage, no Jeremy Piven. I'm like the Fresh Prince, just minus the amphibian. So the younger generation, they feeling my pain more than they feeling the way that you run your campaign. Sometimes I put money over making a change. I'm just trying to make some change while making a change. The preacher trying to tell me that God is the way, as he pull up in his Bentley and parks it away. These days it's getting harder and harder to stay. I take a look in my hood and they too starving to pray. I'm just thinking about the people in awful positions. Truthfully, the only thing that saved me was awesome musicians. So I put on for us. If you don't understand, we don't give a fuck. I thought I told y'all we don't care, no, we don't give a fuck what y'all think. Hey, hey, that's right. I thought I told y'all we don't care, no, we don't give a fuck what you think. Hey, hey, yeah.
On va essayer de faire pareil que le professionnel. On est professionnel. Je répète, on est professionnel. Inch'Allah, comme on dit en Bretagne. Non, je me démerde tout seul. T'as vu comment je me suis jeté? Y'a un petit film. Voilà. Enculé. Ah, ah bâtard. Hein? Bah oui, elle va redescendre, mais quand? Quelle pute. Aïe aïe. C'est trop facile.
I get my best flows and test on my next shows while my whiteboard is marked up with expos. Planning out all of my next moves and expos, and most likely artists to make it out of the West Coast. Teenager with the mind of a vet though, but soon somebody will sign him a check. So if you did something that you highly regret, I recommend it, it's about time that you let go. Cause at first they were trying to diss me, now I'm coming up so they ask for favors. And when you get noticed, the story flips, see. Now they talking to me on their best behavior. People I barely know telling me they love me. Two-faced friends only in it for the money.